We'll guide you through how to set up hosting with Namecheap. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Hosting tab at the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see various hosting options like Shared, VPS, or Dedicated. For beginners, shared hosting is a great start. Select the plan that suits your needs, and click on Add to Cart. If you already own a domain with Namecheap, you can select it during the checkout process. If not, you might want to consider registering a new one. Once you've added the hosting to your cart, proceed to checkout and complete the payment process. After purchasing, head back to your dashboard. You'll find your hosting account under Products. Just click on it to manage your hosting. Now, it's time to set up your website. You'll see a cPanel icon next to your hosting account. Click on this to enter your control panel. In cPanel, you have access to tools for managing your website, like WordPress installation, email setup, and file management. For easy website creation, click on the WordPress icon under Softaculous Apps Installer. Follow the prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Make sure to choose your domain, set your site name, and create an admin username and password. Once the installation is complete, you can access your WordPress dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/wpadmin here. You can start customizing your site with themes and plugins. And that's it. You've successfully set up hosting on Namecheap and installed WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.